So we are doing our chapter 8, that is trigonometry, that is related to the triangle. And now just warm up, okay? The sine theta, cos theta, cot theta, then cosec, sec and cot theta. These are the 6 trigonometry ratios, right? Now sine theta is equal to what?
Opposite upon hypotenuse.
Opposite upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to
Adjacent upon hypotenuse.
very good. And tan theta is equal to
Opposite upon adjacent.
okay, opposite upon adjacent, right? Now sin theta is there, so reciprocal of sin theta is equal to Hina
Cosec theta.
cosec theta. Reciprocal of cos theta is equal to Harsh reciprocal of cos theta is equal to C opposite S, so becomes sec theta. Okay. Now and reciprocal of tan theta is equal to Rutika.
Adjacent side upon opposite side.
Okay, or we can say cot theta. Okay. Now, yesterday I have given some homework to you. Have you understood that sum?
मैम उसमें मेरे को है ना एक बार साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा और टेन थीटा के सिर्फ वैल्यू बताओगे?
ठीक है, चलो. So,
मैंने सॉल्व तो कर लिया है.
हाँ, okay. We will solve it again today also. Don't worry. So, what was the homework? Question number?
8.
Question
number 8.
8. So till 7 we have completed, right? So now we will
Yes, ma'am.
solve question number 8. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now question number 8. That is given that if C cot A is equal to 4. So C cot A is equal to 4. So we can write cot A is equal to 4 upon 3. Right? Cot is equal to what? Adjacent upon opposite side, right? So now we are considering one right angle triangle in which this is become your A, B and C. B is the right angle triangle. A, this will become the opposite side and this will become the adjacent side. Okay, so opposite side is given as a 3. So opposite side is given as a 3 and adjacent will become the 4. Right? Now, using the Pythagoras theorem, you have to find out this hypotenuse will come as a 5. But one more time we go with the procedure. Okay, so it will become AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB is equal to 4 square plus 3 square is equal to 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. So ultimately you will get AC is equal to 5. Right? Have you got this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So किसी को कोई डाउट है?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So here we want the values of sin theta, cos theta and the tan theta. Okay. So first we will find out the sin theta. Right? So sin theta is equal to what? Sin A is equal to opposite upon adjacent, right? So opposite is given as a 3 and adjacent will become the 5. Clear? Now cos A. So cos A is equal to what? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. So it will become 4 upon 5. Right? And tan theta. Tan A is equal to what? Opposite upon adjacent will become what? 3 upon 4. Getting this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now students, I am erasing all, okay? Because we have to find out or we have to prove that 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. You can write it by yourself afterwards. So first, now we are going for the LHS. What is your LHS? LHS is equal to 1 minus n square a upon 1 plus n square a. Right? This is our question. Now we are putting the values. It is equal to 1 minus 10 square a. Means 10 is equal to 3 upon 4. So it becomes 3 upon 4 whole square. Right? Divided by 1 plus 10 square a. So again same thing. It becomes 3 upon 4 whole square. So now 1 minus 9 upon 16 divided by 1 plus 9 upon 16. Getting this much? Right? So now taking the LCM, here nothing is there, means 1 is there, the LCM will be your 16. So we are writing here is 16. Okay? So here we have to multiply with 16 and here we have to multiply with 1 only. So 16 1 is 16 minus 9 will come. Similarly, here we have to take the LCM again. That is comes the denominator. So here LCM of 16 1 is equal to 16. So here 16 1s are 16 and 16 1s are. Here 16 1s are 16 minus 9 upon 16. Right? This upon 16 will go into the upside from multiplication with that 16. Right? So here 16 and 16 will be cancelling out. Yes or no? Is equal to what? 16 minus 9 is equal to how much?
7 upon 25. 7 upon 25.
Yes, 7 upon 25. Because the 16 minus 9 is there, and here 16 plus 9 is there. So you will get LHS is equal to 7 upon 25. Right?
Yes.
Understood everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now
Yes,
what we have
ma'am.
to find it out here? Now we have to find it out cos square A minus sin square A. The value of Karthik K. Cos square A minus sin square A. So I am erasing this part. Is it okay to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So that will become your RHS. Okay. Your RHS is equal to 25. So now we are finding the value of RHS. That is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Right? Because cos square A, the value of cos square A is equal to 4 upon 5. So we can write 4 upon 5 square minus sin square is equal to 3 upon 5. So it becomes 3 upon 5 whole square. Right? Now we don't need this. So we are going to erase it. So now simplify. 4 square is equal to 16. Are you able to see ना? दिख रहा है आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 4 square is equal to 16 and 5 square is equal to 25. 9. 3 square is equal to 9. Right? And 5 square is equal to 25.
25.
So 25 will be the LCM. So directly we can go 16 minus 9 and 16 minus 9 is equal to what? 7 upon 25. So your RHS is also 7 upon 25. Right? So we can write that here. LHS is equal to your RHS. So we have to write the same. So 1 minus 10 square A upon 1 plus 10 square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then we are starting our next sum. 9th number. in triangle ABC, right angle at B. So in triangle ABC, right angle is given as a B, angle B. If tan A is equal to 1 upon under root of 3, find the values of. Okay. First of all, we have to find out the value of sine and cos A and C. Okay.
मैम
हाँ.
आप जो करवाए हो ना वो 9 से कम नहीं है सिलेबस में.
सिलेबस में नहीं है.
हाँ 1 to 8 और 11th वाला ही है.
Okay. So I don't have that thing. Okay. So we are going for the 11th number. Okay. 9th is already omitted. अच्छा है. फिर भी आप अपने आप ट्राई करना एक बार.
यस मैम.
क्योंकि वो
Okay, ma'am.
इजी है. हाँ.
Okay,
इसके
ma'am.
अकॉर्डिंग वो कर सकते हैं वो लोग. बराबर कुछ भी. तो वो कर लेना एक बार. ठीक है. अभी हम नेक्स्ट करते हैं. चलो. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q. So in PQR we have to draw and you have to show. In triangle PQR, right angle is given at Q. PR plus QR is equal to 25 and PQ is given 5 cm. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. So we have to solve this sum now. Okay, first draw the diagram and draw the figure and then we will try to understand. Okay. 10th number that is given as a PQR is a right angle triangle and right angle as a Q. So this will become your diagram. P, Q and R. This is the right angle triangle. PR plus QR. PR plus QR. This addition is given as a 25. So we are writing as a PR plus QR is equal to 25. And one more is given PQ. PQ is given as a 5. And we have to find out the values of all. Okay? So what will you do now? See, already we have that PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. And we have been given that PR plus QR is equal to 25. Right? Now just we are separating one of them. So we are just putting QR square. So what will become? PR is equal to 25 minus QR. That we can write. Yes. So now we are
Yes, ma'am.
putting. उसकी वैल्यू की जगह ये वाली रखेंगे. PR square this instead of PR we are putting this 25 minus QR. Right? So what will become 25 minus QR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Okay. Now it is A minus B square is there. So what will be become? A square minus 2AB plus B square, right? So similarly we are doing one more. A square means 25 square will become 625 minus 2 into 8. So 2 into 25 becomes 50. 50 into QR is equal to 50 QR. Clear? Plus QR
कैसा आया?
50 कैसे है? 2AB. हम 2AB करते हैं ना? 2 into A into B. Right? So 2 into 25 become 50 into QR. So into QR. आया समझ में?
नो मैम.
Okay, चलो. हम करते हैं 25 minus QR whole square is there. Right? So what will be the solution? So it
Yes,
becomes 25 is cos term square minus 2 into 25 into QR 2AB. Right? Plus QR square. So 25 square is equal to 625, right? Now 2 into 25 is equal to 50. 50 into QR is equal to 50 into QR only. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
And plus QR square. Understood? Now try to solve this sum. Okay? Have you got the value of QR? किसी को आगे क्यू आर की वैल्यू मिली? इतने सारे लेफ्ट हो गए क्या?
हाँ मैम, हाँ
कोई बात नहीं, चलो ये समझ में आया आपको इतना?
मैम।
हाँ इतना समझ में आया आपको?
यस मैम।
ओके, सो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, क्यू आर स्क्वायर एंड हियर आल्सो क्यू आर स्क्वायर, so we cancel it out. Okay, so what can we write? 625
Yes ma'am.
minus 50 QR is equal to, PQ means what? PQ is given as a 5. So 5 square is equal to 25. Okay. So we are putting as a 625 minus this 25 will come this side. Because what? Minus 25 is equal to 50 QR. Right? ये समझ में आया आपको? Have you understood this much?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, so 625 minus 25 is equal to what? 600 is equal to 50 QR is equal to
6.
right? 625 minus 25 is equal to 600 and 50 QR. So it becomes 50 QR, right? So we can say that 50 QR is equal to 600. So QR is equal to 60 upon 550. Right? So here 0 0 will cancel it out. So what will become? 5 is that 12, 5 is 6.
12.
So 5 is 12 is 60. So become QR is equal to 12. सबको QR कितना मिला? This value of QR is equal to 12. Right? Now, what do you have to do? Just you have to put the value in this now. Pythagoras theorem. So what will become here? PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square, right? तो हमें ये PR की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी. Understood? अगर Pythagoras ये 5 and 12 is there, so we have to find out now PR. What is the value of hypotenuse in PR? So PR square is equal to PQ. PQ is equal to 5. So become 5 square plus 12 square. So 5 square 25, 12 square 144. It become 169 and here square of 30. So your PR is equal to 30. Are you getting this much, Karanjali, Steffi and Ritika?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
like
ma'am.
like this way we got all three. PQ also that is given, QR we got and PR also we got it. Right? Now we have to find out which value. Sin P, cos P and tan P. Right? So we are writing this side. We have to find out sin P. So what is the sin P? So we have to consider now this angle. Okay? Sin P is equal to what? Opposite upon adjacent.
Opposite upon hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse. So 12 upon 13 will come. So the value of sin P is equal to 12 upon 13. Right? Now cos P. So value of cos is equal to what? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. So adjacent is given 5 upon
Adjacent
13.
upon hypotenuse.
So 5 upon 13. And what is the value of tan P? Value of
Adjacent
tan
upon opposite.
adjacent first. Opposite upon adjacent.
Opposite upon adjacent.
Opposite is 12 and adjacent will be 5. The answer will be 12 upon 5. Understood this sum now?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now take a screenshot only. ओके डन. And if you want to copy, I will give you some time also. If you want to copy them. Okay. Now 11th is then the syllabus.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? तो चलो रिवाइज कर लेते हैं फटाफट. First, state whether the followings are true or false and justify your answer also. First is given the value of 10a. The value of 10a is always less than 1.
No, ma'am.
और आपको रीजन भी देना पड़ेगा.
मैम 10 तो रेशियो में होता है ना, अपोजिट बाय एडजेसेंट, तो फिर वो 1 से नीचे कैसे होगा?
हाँ पर उसका प्रॉपर रीजन लिखना पड़ेगा ना आपको. वो हमें पता है चल
अच्छा.
क्योंकि कोई तो वैल्यू होती है 12/5 या कुछ भी. बट यू हैव टू राइट द प्रॉपर रीजन और यू कैन गिव द सॉल्व द सम एंड गिव द प्रॉपर रीजन आल्सो. दैट इज आल्सो पॉसिबल. चलो रीजन के लिए थोड़ा सोचना एंड देन वी विल डू इट टुमारो. अभी आप ट्रू एंड फॉल्स करते हैं, रीजन हम कल देते हैं. ओके
यस मैम.
तो आपको थोड़ा सोचने
Yes,
का टाइम
ma'am.
मिलेगा. ओके यू विल गेट द टाइम टू
Okay,
थिंक. नाउ सेकंड, sec a is equal to 12/5 for some value of angle a. हो सकता है ना?
क्या मैम एक बार स्टेटमेंट समझाओ तो.
Sec a, the value of sec a is equal to 12/5 for some value of angle a.
हो सकता है मैम, क्योंकि वो 1 से नीचे तो नहीं है ना.
हाँ मतलब वो हमें देखना है कि sec is है तो what will become cos, right? Cos की वैल्यू 5/12 हो सकती है. yes. Why? Because hypotenuse is always bigger.
Yes, ma'am.
वो रीजन हो सकता है ना. नाउ cos a is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle a. cos means cosecant. एब्रिविएशन मतलब ऑपोजिट हुआ. रेसिप्रोकल बोलते हैं ना, उसका मीनिंग हुआ. सो
No.
cos एक cosec का
False.
ये है कि cos एक cosec का रेसिप्रोकल है.
No, ma'am.
हाँ तो वो फॉल्स हुआ. समझ में आया? एप्लीकेशन का मतलब होता है वो रेसिप्रोकल है उसका और यस और नो, तो दैट इज द आंसर. तो वो एब्रिविएशन नहीं होगा. राइट?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
cot a is the product of cot and a.
No, ma'am.
नो क्योंकि वो कंबाइंड होता है, अलग अलग नहीं होता. बराबर. नाउ sin a is equal to 4/3 for some angle theta. See, ये पॉसिबल नहीं हो सकता. इट कैन नॉट बी पॉसिबल बिकॉज हाइपोटेनस कैन नॉट बी स्मॉलर देन द वन ऑफ द साइड. राइट?
यस मैम.
So 3 is a hypotenuse. So 3 cannot be a hypotenuse because it is the smallest one. So for any angle theta, sin theta cannot be possible for 4/3. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So your homework is to
मैम
find out
11th वाला आप
हाँ बेटा
11th वाला मैम आप कल रीजन के साथ हमें नोटबुक में लिखवाओगे ना.
हाँ पर फिर भी टिल देन आप फाइंड आउट भी करोगे अपने आप. ओके
Yes, ma'am.
मैं रीजन के साथ कल लिखवाऊंगी पर आपके आंसर के साथ.
Okay, ma'am.
That is your become a homework. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ तो today we are ending this class here only.